Yo, I'm cruising on chrome with a brand new tool. Pabbly Connect wet clipper, now that's the jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Sitting on editing my sheets, making moves like a mule. Code out workflows tight, automation's the key. From Slack to WhatsApp, I set it up with Glee. Just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. I always got my back, no need to feel queasy. Pabbly Connect wet clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Hold down for the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Hit the Chrome store, download, let's go. Add that extension, now I'm in the flow. Highlight webhook, set the URL in tow. Trigger events, watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs I see. Select the text and it's history. The whole sheets is waiting, it's all so free. Pabbly Connect, making life so breezy. Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Hold down for the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Date and time, URLs all aligned. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Now for the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. Hold down for the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit.